What if I told you I handed over my entire budget to an AI for 30 days and let it decide what I could spend, save, and invest? No spreadsheets, no guesswork, just algorithms managing my money. At first, I thought this experiment would crash and burn, but the results? Honestly surprising and kind of life-changing. So in this video, I'll show you exactly what happened, the tools I used, and whether you should let AI run your budget too. Stick around, this might just be the smartest financial decision you make this year. So on day one, I started by asking, can AI even handle personal finance? Turns out, yeah, it really can. I signed up for a free budgeting chatbot called Cleo. It connects to your bank account, analyzes your spending, and literally roasts you when you go over budget. I'm not kidding. It's like a sassy financial coach living in your phone. Then, I paired it with ChatGPT to create a custom budget plan based on my goals. I told it my income, fixed expenses, and financial priorities, like saving for a trip, paying down debt, and leaving room for fun. Finally, I used a YNAB, you need a budget, template, synced it all with Google Sheets, and let AI take over from there. In the first week, Cleo hit me with some cold truths. I was spending way more on food delivery and small subscriptions than I realized. ChatGPT flagged it immediately in my budget breakdown, and even suggested ways to automate those savings. It felt like I had a financially obsessed best friend watching every dollar I spent, and calling me out gently. By day 5, I had already cut $60 just by canceling stuff I forgot I was paying for. Here's where it got interesting. AI wasn't just tracking, it was advising. ChatGPT would literally send me money-saving prompts like, would you like me to reallocate your grocery overspend into your entertainment fund? I was like, wait, am I negotiating with a spreadsheet? But it worked. For the first time, I wasn't just reacting to expenses. I was in control, without having to think about it constantly. Also, Cleo sent me challenges. Save $20 this week by cooking at home 3 times. It gamified saving money. And yeah, I actually did it. I won't lie. Week 3 was tough. There was a birthday dinner, a spontaneous shopping moment, and I kind of fell off track. But here's the crazy part. AI noticed. Cleo nudged me with a message like, you're $45 over your weekly cap. Want to adjust your savings goal? It didn't judge. It adapted. That's when I realized AI isn't just about cold numbers. It's about flexibility, and that's what most budgets are missing. At the end of 30 days, here's what I found. I saved $280 more than I usually do. I cut my emotional spending by about 30%. I felt way less stressed because AI was doing the mental heavy lifting. But more than the numbers, I learned this. AI won't fix bad habits overnight, but it will nudge you, guide you, and give you the tools to build smarter ones. And in a world where money is more digital than ever, letting AI co-pilot your finances just makes sense. So, would I recommend letting AI manage your budget? Absolutely. Especially if you're someone who wants to save more, stress less, and finally feel in control of your money. Start with Cleo, experiment with ChatGPT prompts, and try out YNAB or even a free Google Sheet template. You don't need to be a financial expert. You just need the right tools. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell, because every week here at Byte to Bank, I test AI tools that help you save time, build wealth, and stay ahead of the curve. Drop a comment below. Would you trust AI with your money? Let's talk.